Hey guys, I'm Anushree from Designertale. I'm presenting our new men's formal tie mockup. It is a very easy to use mockup as always. Only a few clicks and your image is ready. You can see we also provide a very detailed presentation to showcase its potential uses. You can easily understand how customizable this is. Now, to start, click on the PSD file after extracting the zip file. It is a PSD file and it is compatible with Photoshop CC. The layers are super organized and color coded for your ease of use. These color codes are always the same on our products. We use green for smart objects and orange for color and gradient layers. Here's a zoomed in look of the layers. You can see I've created shortcut smart objects so that you do not have to search for them. All the smart objects are listed on top for you to just click, edit, save and be done. Your image is ready for your presentation. So first double click on the smart objects and they will open in new windows as shown here. I suggest you open them all at once. You can see it is very easy to do. Click on the change font design smart object and edit it first. It will give you a very consistent look like I'm doing. See, press Ctrl T. And if you have auto grid option, it is very easy to center them, align it. Ctrl T and resize it, and I'm copying the layer again, covering the length. Now for better control, we can just merge the layers. Merge the layers and save. Now you can drag and drop it on other open smart objects. For horizontal smart objects, you can just copy the layer and move it to adjust the width. Drag and drop on other smart objects. And press Ctrl S to save them. Now you can save this as a PNG or JPG. If you want to save it as a PNG file, you need to turn off the layer visibility on the group named BG at the bottom of the PSD and Control Save As and you can use this image on your desired background. It is very easy. Now moving on to editing the color layers. Double click on the small square as I'll be doing and select the color of your choice. Hit OK and do it on the layers you want colors. Turn off the layer visibility for the smart object that are marked green on the layers you want colors only. The same goes for gradient layers. Then save it as PNG or JPG and use this image as you desire. Of course, the design, color and gradient layers also provide a mix and match look. It is very customizable, as I said before. Make it fully gradient, make it fully colored, use a mix and match look, like the insides are colored and the front and the outsides are design patterned. It will save you more time. You can change the gradient, choose a foreground and background color of your choice and hit OK. It's very easy. Each layer has these both options available. You can turn on and off the background. Okay, so our mockups are available on Creative Market also. For further queries, please contact us on contact@designertale.com. Also, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.